Welcome back. This is a problem statement. The problem statement is too long to understand. Let me explain briefly. Let me explain very briefly. So given numbers are say 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 9. Okay, this is input. Step number 1, convert them to binary. 7 will become 3 ones. Okay. 6 will become 4 plus 2. Say 1, 1, 0. This is 4 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. This is 2 plus 2, 1, 0. This is 4, 1, 0, 0, 9, 8, 1. Say 1, 0, 0, 1. Step number 2, group as per number of bits. Okay, this is 3 bits group. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is 2 bits group. And one bit group is 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Okay, after grouping, convert them back to integers. So this is 7, this is 6, this is 5, this is 9, this is 2, this is 4. Okay, next step. Sort groups internally. This is 7, this will become 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, and this is 2, 4. Okay, and this is output. Hope you understand it. Okay, for example, you have 7 here. You have say a 8 here. What is 8? 1 triple 0. 1 triple 0. Okay. So 1 triple 0 will go to which group? Will go to this group. Okay. And you get 2, 4, 8 also. So let us do it. Okay, step number 1. Step number 1. First, convert to binary. 2, group. 3, sort groups as per ones. 4, convert to decimal. 5, internal sorting. 6, printing as per the requirement. Okay, so convert to binary, convert to decimal. In between, make them groups, sort groups as per ones, and then internal sorting. You need two functions. One is converting to binary and converting to decimal. Okay, so let us write those functions first and then go to inputs. First function, define set to binary given a number n. This binary number is a list of bits. Okay, so let us call it a list, which is empty in the beginning. While n is greater than 0, okay, to the list, to this list, you append n modulus 2. Okay, and then reduce n by 2. Okay, then you have a list of digits. Okay, what you do, you reverse the list. You reverse the list to get the binary number. Okay, but it's a list of digits. You make it a string. You map these digits into a string. Okay, and then join with empty string. Okay, and then return it. Okay, let us see how it works. Say print to binary. So put 10. What is 10? 8, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so what should we get? Save it. See, you should get 1 0 1 0. Absolutely fine, but it's a string. Okay, now write a function to convert decimal to binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Input is a string. Output of the earlier function. Okay, here, so let the decimal number is 0 in the beginning. Okay, so for digit in string. Okay, so number is equal to, I assume that you know the logic, number into 2 plus add the digit, but the digit is a string, you should convert this to integer. Okay, now return the number. Fine. Now first let us see how it works. Okay, first let string is equal to, say, 2, say n equal to read from keyboard. Okay, now convert this n into string to binary. Now what is input? N. Okay, now so m equal to, convert this s into decimal to decimal. So what is the input? Input is yes. If both are same, if n equal to m, print that both functions are working. So else they are not working. But n equal to 10. 2 decimal is not defined. 2 decimal. So there is a spelling mistake. 2 decimal. Okay. Let us see it. So input is 10. So both functions are working. Okay. Now take the input. Now read number of test cases. So T is number of test cases. Okay. Now for test case in range, number of test cases, read the number of numbers, that is n equal to, say, int input. Okay, now read the numbers itself. Numbers are a text of digits separated by blank space. Text of digits separated by blank space. Okay, now you convert them into strings. You convert them into integers, which are in string format. Okay, and how many such numbers should be taken? You should take only n numbers. Okay. Now convert this into integer and then make it a list. Okay, first map and then to list. Okay, now convert these numbers into binary numbers. Okay, by using map, the function name is to binary. Okay, input is the list of numbers. Whatever result you get, you convert them to a list. Okay, so these are list of These are list of binary numbers. Fine. So once you got binary numbers, you group them. Group them into bits. Okay. So how do you group them? So let us say groups is an empty list. Okay. So for I in range n, for j in range I plus 1 to n. Okay. Group is a group of groups. Assume that group is initially what is that? Ith binary number. Group is having ith binary number. Okay. And number of bits in this is binary dot count. Sorry, ith binary number dot count. It is a string, so digit must be a character. Okay, let us call it as x. There are number of bits in this number. If number of bits in the next number is equal to x, then put next number in this group. Then group dot append jth binary number. Okay. So if you remember, I discussed earlier, this binary j should not belong to other group. So status of this number should become true. Earlier, status of all the numbers should be false. And you take only those numbers whose status is false. You take only those numbers whose status is not true or equal to false. Okay. So everything will work only when status is false. Status is true. Fine. Now, two groups you append group. Okay. Also find out number of bits in each group. Okay. So number of bits in each group. Bits dot append number of bits in each group is x. Okay. Now let us print the groups as well as bits. So take one test case. Take one test case, 6 numbers. The numbers are 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 9. Okay. So 3 bits group, 2 bits group, and 1 bit group. Okay. Now let us test it for one more group. One test case, 7 numbers, say 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 11, 7. Okay. 2 bits group, 1 bit group, and 3 bits group. Okay. It's not necessary that 3 bits should come always first. Now what we need to sort them. So 3 bits group should come first, 2 bits group should come next. Okay. That is possible by manipulating this. That's the reason why I had a list of bits. Okay. Now, so you have a list of bits. Now you find out, you sort list of bits as per the groups, or let us sort groups as per number of bits. I have a list by name index. Say index is equal to how many groups are there? Let ng is the number of groups. Okay, list of range of number of groups. Fine. Now sort it in descending order. Index dot sort. So what is key? What is key? Sorry, key equal to lambda. Say I. What is key? Key is bits. What is order? I is a higher bit should come first. The order is descending. So reverse is 2. Reverse is 2. Okay. Now, so have one more list called as sorted groups. Sorted groups. An empty list in the beginning. Okay. This is next process. What is it? This is sorting groups. What about this? What about this? This is making groups. Okay, this is making groups, and this is sorting groups. And what about this? This is converting to binary. Converting to binary. Okay, so converting to binary and making into groups, followed by sorting groups. Okay, now for I in sorted index, sorted underscore groups, sorted underscore groups dot append. So what do you append? You append groups in what order? In this sorted index order. Okay. Now they are sorted. Let us see whether they are sorted or not as per number of bits. Print sorted groups. Okay. So there's only one input. 7 numbers. So 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 11, 7. Okay. So 3 bits into one group, 2 bits into one group, 1 bit into one group. This is sorted groups. Okay. Now we'll have to convert them into numbers and then group the numbers. Okay. How do you convert? By calling to decimal. Okay. So this phase is done. Next. What is next phase? Next phase is converting to decimal. Converting to decimal. Okay. So how many groups are there? 3, as many groups. Okay. For I range number of groups. Okay. Now each group, what is that? Sorted groups I. Okay. So what you do is you have to convert, right? Okay. Sorted groups I is equal to list map to decimal. And what is a list? List is sorted groups say I. 1, 2. Okay. So then let us print the sorted groups. Now they are decimal numbers. They are now decimal numbers, not binary numbers. So one test case, 7 numbers, say 12, 10, 8, 4, say 6, 11, 7. Okay. Sorted groups is not defined. There must be some spelling mistake. Sorted groups. Okay. SORTADs. Sorted. This is sorted. Okay. Once again done it. We are almost at the end of the problem, end of solution. So 1, 7, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 11, says 11, says 7. Okay. So 11, 7 belong to one group, 6, 12, 10. So answer should be 7, 11, 6, 10, 12, and 4, 8. Okay. Then let us do internal sorting. Let us do internal sorting. So last step is internal sorting. Okay. So how many groups are there again? How many groups are there? For so there are ng number of groups for I in range ng. Okay. So groups. Here we are sorting the groups. Sorted underscore groups ith group dot sort. Okay. So let us print it. Now print sorted groups. So one input, 7 numbers, 12, 10, 8, say 4, 6, 11, 7. Sorted spelling SORTED. Okay. So have one test case, 7 numbers, 12, 10, 8, 4, 6, 11, and 7. Okay. So 7, 11 belong to one group, 6, 7 sorted internally. Okay. Make them into a single list. So how do you do that? Let output is an empty list. Okay. Here concatenate this sorted groups to I and print the output. Okay. So one input, 7 numbers, 12, 10, 8, 4, 6, 11, 7. Okay. So grouped as per requirement. Hope you understand it. 4 and 8 are one bit numbers. 6 and 12 are 2-bit numbers. 7 and 11 are 3-bit numbers. Okay. Okay. Or if you want to print it, as a line of text, then you know what to do. You map the output. You map the output. Output is in the form of decimal numbers. So map them into strings. Okay. I think one more is required. So let us print it. So take one input, 7 numbers, say 12, 8, 10, 11, 4, 6, and 7. Okay. So need space, right? Need space here. No. There are two inputs. First is 765249. First is 765249. And second one is 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 11, 7. Okay. So let us give two inputs now. Two test cases. There are two test cases. Two test cases. Test case 1 has 6 numbers. They are 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 9. So check the output. Output is 756924. 756924. Okay, next input. Say 2, 6, 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 9. Okay. Next 7 numbers, and they are 12, 10, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 11, and 7. Okay. So 7, 11, 6, 10, 12, 4, 8. 7, 11, 6, 10, 12, 4, 8. Okay. Done. So hope you understand it. Two functions, two binary to decimal, convert to binary, groups, and then sort groups, and then decimal convert, then internal sorting. Okay. Hope you understand it. So keep watching and keep learning. Please do subscribe.